In this video, we will be solving radical equations. Our example for today is x plus 20 over x equals negative 9. The first thing we need to do is find the least common denominator. The least common denominator is going to be x because these are actually over 1, so it's going to be x. So we'll times everything by x. So in this, these denominators are going to cancel. So we're going to times these, so it's going to be x squared plus 20 equals negative 9x. The next thing we need to do is move the 9x to the other side, so we're going to add 9x. So we'll have x squared plus 9x plus 20 equals 0. The next thing we're going to need to do is factor this down. So x and x. We need factors of 20 that add to 9, so we're going to have 4 and 5, and they both need to be positive. The next thing we need to do is set both of these equal to 0, so we'll have x plus 4 equaling 0 and x plus 5 equaling 0. To solve for this one, to undo the addition, we're going to subtract 4, so x is going to equal negative 4, and in this one we have to subtract 5, so we'll have x is equal to negative 5. The next thing we need to do is do a check because in the denominator we cannot have 0. So we'll check negative 4 first. So we'll have negative 4 over 1 plus 20 over negative 4 equaling negative 9. This works because in the denominators none of them equal 0, so that negative 4 is good. And the next thing we're going to do is check negative 5. So we'll have negative 5 over 1 plus 20 over negative 5 equals negative 9. Again, you can't have zeros in the denominator, and this one works, so that works, and your answer is going to be negative 4 and negative 5.